Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to link Capital One credit card to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App, then you need to click profile icon on top right. Scroll a little bit down and choose linked banks. So here is link debit card and you probably will see link credit card option, but if it's not here and if you use a link debit card, it should automatically select that it's credit card and refer you guys. So click link debit card if there is no link credit card option. You need to enter your Capital One credit card information right here, your card number, expiration date, CVV, your zip code, guys. Make sure that everything is correct and click this green button, which is link card button, and it will automatically link your Capital One credit card to your Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.